Chapter 16, Nurture Your Inner Strength. Forge ahead with the might of your inner strength. It's the unyielding force within you that fuels your determination, resilience, and self-belief. It's not about physical power, instead, it's that quiet, persistent voice urging you to rise every time you fall. It's about recognizing your inherent worth and believing in your potential. It's your inner strength, and it's time you give it the nurture it deserves. Start by acknowledging your strengths. Often, you're so engrossed in working on your weaknesses that you forget to appreciate what you're already good at. You're talented, unique, and have overcome obstacles that attest to your strength. So don't be shy about applauding yourself. It's not arrogance, it's self-recognition. Next, build resilience. Life's not always smooth sailing, and it's your inner strength that will help you weather the storm. Be patient with yourself. Understand that failure is a stepping stone to success, and maintain an optimistic outlook. Remember, resilience isn't about avoiding stress, but learning to thrive within it. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself the way you'd treat a dear friend. Replace self-criticism with self-acceptance. Understand that it's okay to not be perfect. You're a work in progress, and that's perfectly fine. Nurturing your inner strength is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of self-discovery, self-growth, and self-love. Chapter 17, Improve Work-Life Balance. Balancing work and personal life is another powerful step towards rebuilding yourself. It's not just about clocking hours at work and then rushing home to manage personal responsibilities. It's about creating harmony between the two, ensuring neither side is neglected. Imagine work and life as two sides of the same coin, each equally important. You can't have a full coin with only one side, can you? The same goes for your work-life balance. Strive to give them equal importance and watch your productivity and fulfillment soar. Consider setting boundaries. You've got to know when to switch off your work mode and step into your personal space. It's okay to say no to after-hours work emails. It's okay to keep your weekends free for family and self-care. Remember, you're more than your job. Take time to unwind. Your mind and body need rest to function at their best. Whether it's a quick walk during lunch break, a relaxing yoga session after work, or simply reading your favorite book on a quiet evening, find what helps you relax. Remember, your worth isn't determined by how long you work or how much you achieve. It's about who you are as a person, how you treat others, and how you treat yourself. Improving your work-life balance isn't an overnight task. It's a journey. It's a process. It requires patience, persistence, and self-love. But once you master it, you'll find a newfound sense of happiness and fulfillment that will leave you feeling empowered and refreshed. You'll be one step closer to rebuilding yourself, focusing on you every day. Chapter 18, Discover Your Purpose. Finding your purpose in life might seem like a formidable task, but it's an essential part of rebuilding yourself. Think of it as a compass guiding you towards fulfillment and happiness. You may feel a bit lost now, but that's okay. It's all part of the journey. Start by asking yourself, what really matters to me? Your purpose isn't about what you do, it's about who you are. It's what makes you excited, what gets you out of bed each morning. It's what you do even if you didn't get paid for it. And don't rush it. Good things take time. Next, try to look beyond yourself. Purpose often comes from serving others. What problems in the world do you wish to solve? What cause are you passionate about? Your purpose can be as grand as changing the world or as simple as making someone's day brighter. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about you. Finally, remember that your purpose can evolve as you grow and change. So will your purpose. It's not a fixed point, but a direction. So don't worry if you don't have it all figured out. The important thing is to start. Discovering your purpose is an introspective journey that will bring you closer to your true self. Embrace it and let it guide you in this exciting process of self-rebuilding. Remember, the most important relationship in life is the one you have with yourself. Keep nurturing it, and you'll find your purpose along the way. Chapter 19, Enhance Mental Clarity. Having a clear sense of purpose is only the first step towards rebuilding yourself. Now it's time to enhance your mental clarity. This might sound intimidating, but don't be discouraged. You've got this. Imagine your mind as a lake. When the water is calm, you can see right to the bottom. But when it's turbulent, everything becomes distorted. Your thoughts are like that lake. When they're calm, you can think clearly, make better decisions, and focus on your purpose. But when they're chaotic, everything becomes unclear. So how do you calm this lake? Start by eliminating unnecessary distractions. Turn off your phone, clear your workspace, do whatever it takes to create a peaceful environment. You'll be surprised at how much easier it is to think clearly when you're not constantly being interrupted. Next, practice mindfulness. This doesn't necessarily mean meditating for hours on end, although that can certainly help. It just means being present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This can help you identify negative thought patterns and replace them with more positive ones. Finally, take care of your physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can all contribute to mental clarity. You can't expect your mind to function at its best if your body isn't in peak condition. Remember, enhancing mental clarity is a process. It takes time and practice. But with persistence, you'll find yourself thinking more clearly, making better decisions, and moving more purposefully towards your goals. Chapter 20, Develop Resilient Strategies. Let's face it, life will throw curveballs at you. It's not about avoiding them, but learning how to hit them out of the park. That's where resilience comes in. It's your secret weapon in handling life's unexpected twists and turns. But how do you build resilience, you ask? Firstly, practice optimism. Yes, practice. It's not about being naive or living in denial. It's about choosing to see opportunities amidst obstacles. It's a shift in perspective that you'll need to consciously cultivate. It's tough, but remember, you're tougher. Secondly, keep things in perspective. Life's difficulties can often feel overwhelming, but remember, this too shall pass. Learn to differentiate between a bad day and a bad life. Your circumstances don't define you, your reaction to them does. Thirdly, create a support network. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not pull you down. Reach out, connect, share your struggles. You're not alone. Your tribe can be your greatest strength. Lastly, take care of yourself. It sounds simple, yet it's often overlooked. Exercise, eat well, get enough sleep, take time for yourself, do what you love. Prioritize your well-being because you can't pour from an empty cup. Building resilience is a journey, not a destination. It's a constant process of learning, growing, and becoming stronger. You've got this. You're on your way to rebuilding yourself, one step at a time.